Hey guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial video on this channel. I am Szabi from CodeRevolution. So happy new year once again, and let me show you the latest update for the Zapp Proxy Server plugin. And if you don't know this plugin and what can it do, let me show you real quick its features. So this plugin will proxify any URL from the internet and will load it from your web server. So your web server will act like a virtual proxy and will load any website, and it will serve it to your visitors or to you. So as you might know, proxies are servers that load websites instead of so you don't send the request directly to the website, but you send a request to a proxy, and the proxy then forwards the request to the real website which you wish to get, and it acts like a virtual you. So it will mask your IP address and your whereabouts. So this can also be done using the Zapp Proxy Server plugin, but it will act as a virtual proxy. And let me show you how it works. It enables a URL structure like this. So your website URL, I am on a localhost test server right now, and it will add this URL parameter Zapp URL, and here you can add the real URL you wish to crawl or see. So let's click on this, and now this site is loaded using the Zapp plugin. So as you can see, the Zapp plugin is working and it is loading this site. Okay, now let us go back here and let me show you about the latest updates for this plugin. So in the latest versions, it will be able to use CAPTCHAs to secure the form that users will be able to use to submit and view web pages that are proxified using the virtual proxy server that the Zapp plugin provides. So this form is added to your pages using this shortcode. So let me go ahead and add this shortcode to a page. Now let's add a new post, a test post, and simply paste this shortcode into it and publish the post. Now you will see the form that the plugin generates to allow your visitors to view the proxified website. So this is it. This is the URL where people will be able to add their content. Let me also make this a bit prettier so you can better understand this. So let's write also here some text. For example, proxify this URL, enter it below. Now if we update the post and go here and refresh it, you will be able to see a proxify this URL, enter it below. And if we enter this URL, for example, and click proxy it, then people will be redirected to this page and it will be proxified for them. Okay, now how about adding some CAPTCHAs to this? So here, as you see it, the form is already benefiting of this update because it has a CAPTCHA. So if I move myself out of the way here, we will see that it is protected by Google reCAPTCHA. So this is the update that I added recently to this form and to this plugin. It is protected by Google reCAPTCHA. Okay, let me move myself back and show you how to configure this new feature. And you will see that you will have this settings field, these new settings field in the latest plugin versions. If you hover over the question mark, you can click here and create a new reCAPTCHA key, edit a label, click reCAPTCHA v3, add your domain. In my case, it is localhost, accept the terms, and you can click submit. And you will be getting these pairs of site keys and secret keys. This should be entered here and here, and you will be able to use a reCaptcha freely. Okay, so this is the latest update for the Zapp Proxy Server. If you don't know the plugin, I link it in this video's description. Please go and check it. Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe, it is really appreciated. Your subscription is really appreciated. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.